ena ya boa no ya yebetu ni srani abasade ama wo wadaroma ensemu a eba ne doso hye so ne kai se echa edefa Sompa 93.1 FM eno wa asante mantem kropo kumasimo afebunu mantem ni afmantem fo nyina etie edefa Sompa 98.9 eno ewo sunyane sanso ena bunapo ya mantem fo nyina eto edefa nkranza Sompa 90.7 ensemu awodo ya yedeba eneno edoso de edi mu atintimai no ene se bese 2022 mu hona pieti oyene bi esiye ema enam so adehia dodo na no nkra ehwe wonom na wonom anu onya baabi emfa wontintuo no aban ne hyehye mu no wate asem de bi de afri aban kyan ya de ne nyina mu nsem ba bedan mu saa so na yero Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de ne akyeremu atoye mantemo ene nananom akwakohia ekere se bibi pe bi betimi afri Nazareth aba ne nyina ne se wale nso no de hye bi wo ho a wo betimi aba beye Ghana ye saa so ena ye kasa ya no yero Bawumia edi atodwa se yensa se ho niema ne nsem no wo se ye hwe ne de abefo nsem rewremu na etimi eboa ebusia sa wode wani kyeremu wo yero John Dramani Mahama mu a ne wone na NDC amanyoko no wono ma esre twetwetwetwe ni nyina no ene sa wo kyerɛ se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne camp wono nsem bi free wo ba se enhye ba kokora ni wa yero Mahama ba ye no wode ebre Ghana adehye ni nyina mu nsem no ye de ba bedaimo na panyipa ya Ghana Integrity Initiative GIA wada no enso kyerɛ se wo se aban no hwe ana se yoko wo mo hwe na ma Mrs. Adapa ne case ye ba ye no wonum timi domu nsukọ na wonu hu de atue mu pa yewura atoguba enso ede nsemisabi ede masoafo ya wono so hwe ya hinsie ene eye panyifo ahodo ya yesumfekuo no so omhwehwe anu nyina no wode nsembi ma won mabusia wei ene ensembi edika na editie ena enne enwumre mo sonfo ohene yire maame ekua yeboa esia mabronya abrewatia matna se amede eba besomo na news nyina no eneme boss so wo hine champion Nkranza Sompa 90.7 ye dedicated the amane eye wawoda Nyankopon koso nhiraw ebusia ye brani adaje na ensam na ye famra na so no social media handles na so no ye twa live ho Facebook eye Sompa TV Ghana ana Sompa 93.1 YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn ene de keka ho ni nyina so no eye Sompa TV ana se Sompa FM www.sompaonline.com so ye krukra sam na kogwa daroma eye anu akwa kenkan bi na watie bi so ede afri ho ensam no emunkyeremu ena ediswei Bese fimpi mienu ene aduonu mienu mu opepo bosome ni mu ena atoyire nkyem bi esi eni nyina no ene se efomagudie company bi a na wonom eniema yede kwakwa ye explosion ede adwudwa abo yiyi eye sikadweta ni sikakokko de afri mu no wonom tese omudu apietia na buya ya se tutu basa ni nyina no kwaye arehosem eni padodo na edeti na nanom ensie do ejapade empempem krado duo baby ana wode wontie betokra no na akwakoye boachi bidin eno enam so ema aban ne panyifo ahodo etietia wanam achi de frinkran ene miamia ahodo edwani kyeremu apieti ekohwe sene niema esiko na wodru won asem no awerho na eyente no enam so ema aban no woni asoe ya wo mo hwe ye fisem ahodo so ene ye dan si ahodo so no eye etipam hu bi eka se da bi se de niema si akone de adehye ya won mo apieti no mo hia moa enti wo fa abone home so na wasisi adan bi de ama wonum na omotimi atenemu abo wonum ebra ye kase ya da efinhia mienu mu ani aban na bone homoden amadan kra pole wo ha ene aduonu enan 124,000 units ena wode ama apieti fo a watchre se ne ena wonum awie enti koda na ye ede hye empanyimfo ntem na yenko Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wono ene kwaya amamre ni amane a wadane edan we se nyina edema adehye wode nsempi na atodwa
nananum muamoba baba otingesi former MP obo modenta wa ejima yebetini ye wa hano Mumbo na baso nini bona baso moso mumbo na baso obo modenta President Nana Akufo-Addo Oshemubo say sama esi ye no obe si adan fufu ama mo nyina oka no so wedi so enne nyame adom ye sadan yi 124,000 units nana akufo ado oye osie idea oye enyesa oye yadana say nyame shira ni nyina ba
Abusia Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and your cocotier no see ya pair and he popoya what say just so the ma de share ya one so e wo apieti nana atakwa jobrem be ya wono etosum no was ni pa ya dia osaye ye no tin wo gina so eto ensempi na di e de mampanyifo
apiatifo Ghana man nyina sa to renchem ya eto ye ma ya nhyɛ no so ne bia antu ebiem emra eja no ede no ewo kai nim no no bia nim de na so onum na atwe ban na omkwa se omko video no ade na blast ye no dodo na ebinom so eprepria sabre ego so eje ayarotwe enso ye de nyame ase enable benito bio na daruma odi anim ye de enim se obia na hobeto no ba enkom afi adesredia medesre enable benito any vice chairman and my juma bebre na so afiate no first phase na yebie yesra mo se akechire no eno so mamodin se no wie amaye na asomdwe aba we ne sa ejira ho asafia se omanhene anam aya akatechie intifo asare otosunum wada munyina ase brodie kwa wiya ya asidabo ma munyina
apieti hine nana atakwadwo brembi ya wotosumenu ene yekọ ekotie no ebusia ye to asem ne so na yeda so agyamo Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na kache na opanyi edento obobi ahyehye so ewa atoye mantam nam so wokoye no ne nananom atakwadwa bedwa ye wo mantam nim kodi ahia na wonum ede anobo ano so ne nsempi na no ena efri eto dwam asemba ko ya Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ede tudwa ene se yensa se ho nsam no akwakoye bibie wo ene wobi wasase kwa na so person ko register won hu baabi a wode nani ekre process na ye tenten ena fa ha ena kofa we se bra so si ade abefo ebe ryan sase kwanya ye fa so register nim na timi aboa amane ma twatia na ye tote ede amaye.
Yes, what we need to really solve is the land digitalization. Where we're going to digitalize the whole process, you should be able to sit down at home and know who really owns this land on your mobile phone without really going to get land guards. Today we are working with land guards and people are being killed over ownership. But once we digitalize the whole process, the courts will know in 1 minute who really owns this land, because everything will be digitalized and we use blockchain technology. Blockchain technology sounds fancy, but it's simple. It means once nobody can change that record. Nobody can change the record.
Ebusia Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ene yekọ ekotie no na yewremu ewo NDC eyezu eyeza akatamanso chiye enso ediemu kakra na womu de nsembia ba betudwo etrese Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ene ne camp won nsembi efri ho eba ne nyina da ene se John Dramani Mahama ye roi betna dwaso efinhia pini ye wodi mapanye adwa no wone na ban no entimi amfa content kradwuma ba akopɛ say ya fa hye pa ye betimi abo man mapa wantimi afa adwuma ba akokrampo entimi ama na NDC amane quality asem we say na wonum osre kwa ena wonum chese MPP for kwanyam said de wo moka no wonum enhye da enim ena wonum akasa no wo mokeka ensem bi ede efafra na no enenam so NDC mrahye bedwane di ma de hye ya wonum ewo na for south wonum anyafo Eric Opoku wone ensentrefo abonkomo amwada nsem pi na ede amaye.
Policy ni bi ni say policy was a Ghana card President Kufuor initiated it. So he just started it. Your mama administration, NDC administration, I continue yet me. And I know Kufuor Ababa and what also. So all kind of initiative policy was that policy initiated by Dr. Bawumia. And so Obetuna to take credit for that. He cannot. And the okay other interoperability and linked to digitalization. The foundation of which was laid by John Dramani Mahama. It is on no foundation. I did a digital in now the way we say my e-passport. E-passport we did it. We say now I got my children on. Another policy, because social intervention policy about medical health insurance. Now health insurance, the health insurance, it was initiated by John Kufuor. President Kufuor initiated this policy over 2003. And of course, Health Insurance Act 2003. Now, not health insurance, not a mutual health insurance. And a district base. District base, they say, all register a Sunafo South district. Now, the Yellow Bantama. Only for health insurance card, no call hospital. This year, they go back to the Sunafo South. I think the health insurance, what can not a district base in Intino? I want to have one office home because one of my private entities are insurance. You are allowed under the law to do it. Now, yes, it's our health insurance. We cannot support it. So when we came to power, immediately your mama assumed office as president of the Republic of Ghana. He passed a law to establish the current health insurance, the national health insurance at 2012 and 852. Now under 852, the mama established the National Health Insurance Authority. And also, single health insurance for the entire country. So the policy to establish a single health insurance scheme for Ghana is an initiative of John Dramani Mahama. Nobody can dispute it because that law was assented to President Kufuor Health Insurance Agency. The National Health Insurance Act 2003, an act to secure the provision of basic healthcare services to persons resident in the country through mutual and private health insurance schemes. Health insurance schemes. Now listen to your mama's health insurance. That is National Health Insurance Act 2012. Act to establish the National Health Insurance Authority to implement a national health insurance scheme, mutual and national. Now we know, when you go back to the year 2000, now to the 2000 elections now, the minority then had a press conference. The press conference was led by our revered brother.
Sunafo South Masha Bedune Yeranimonya Fari Kopoku and I call Echo Tie no Abusia. Yeraba Womia, what any tremo a water Yamatemonom, now Wabbo and Twa and Namomachua Mantua at the Sempaya war, and when it's Simu Poju Media will be Sigan and Joshua Beshe, I dear boy, my bapana at the Atuja. Nano and a watchress a woman say, well, no, well, yes, Ramuni or free while dear. Now so no baby papa be a betimia free what the aba, Nina and Sanya Kupo betimia for no so, no etimi as a sunny amagana deshian so no, ye who etimia he ye ewo abrabon wabra, ye to aba at the amano amana bediman penyejano.
I can do something for her. I believe that I can do something for her. I believe God uses everybody that he wants to use to change in his society. The Bible tells us that. And you know, the Bible, even Cyrus was used by Oprah, who was not even able. And so I believe that someone asked me, can anything good come from Wale? I think that something good can come from Wale. And if God says that it should come from Wale, it will come from Wale. And so I am very blessed. Ghana, frankly, we are a very blessed country. And sometimes I am just in awe about how blessed this our small country is. And last week or 2 weeks ago, I had the privilege and the honor to visit His Holiness the Pope at the Vatican. And we had a conversation, and he's so knowledgeable about it, so much. We had a conversation about God But one of the things he was commending us, Ghana, for was the peace and tolerance that we have in our country.
I will see any piety and K Ghana Mapenny Abediache ya was set to Frank Adama MPP Amanyokono Yoraba Mia. Now, ye quite nime once and for from no. A break a cranny upon the road at the actual south when it's remo. I was so for ya no a shay and so I want some any when the dear and some so ma Miss Cecilia Blanda Pana Catchia. A idea be a dent and be a bono. Nina da any 7 1 casa who bought for your bob one with fear. Yachas or manage medina a coso one of the man no. Wakwa Riana good dear and in the sick and pim. Now some way say better so ho. Na sasika we say nyina gumpa say e na Ghana ha se no wabra wo kita the break say and no eba ne say mu cheche mu pa no ene say asem we say ekodi mu e wa prosifo nsem e ma watabri no e de special prosecutor ho e ma ewie mu say yokofo wonum e na amamofo sem nyina da e ba hwehwe mu ye si ase fe kofe kwa ye de ahye wonum sa wonum so enje na wonum so ento so ye ka say ya no aba betodwa say aban lawyer wonum nyina e de wo mu no yoko besi ne no on share down for asem titribia no emma metu dwane no na aka ho bia mapanyi pa ya wono Ghana Integrity Initiative GII wada no Mami Mary Ada wa chese yoko na wosenka wono bom ho moden edo asem no musu ko se beye mpo no de atua mu bia no ba beda ne di e de acho my Ghana adehie.
Even though it's very disappointing, we didn't expect anything different. My only point of regret is the fact that Yoku, we know, works under the AG's office, and so they would want advice from them. But I was expecting as well that they would carry on to such a time that when they needed advice to proceed to prosecution, then they would do this. But then it is what it is. It is very unfortunate. Let me not mince words at all. The impression this is creating is the fact that we can always get away with anything, particularly when it comes to issues around allegations of corruption, because we would use the weaknesses in the regime or the legal regime to get away with them. This goes to confirm what the president said, because he was speaking from the point of view of authority, and perhaps our laws were not robust enough. And so when he was clearing Cecilia Dapa, he knew where he was coming from. So it's sad, but it is what it is.
I was seeing any part telling Kane, a executive director, ya wada Ghana Integrity Initiative, no, Mami Mary Ada, Eleni Dane. Na ye ramu e won semfo from no, na ye quote na say ada, asamo I beto Jana no memen daiba, any sa power ye nena namuiemu, any abe fontaine video so any sanado down kwa kufodu mampenyin, what nani chemu e war a yedamango, wabra ya bonra, a yo hipopo ya wati jaso, edema, a ya deshe ya wanum so, e war and potemu wono wonum nyina da ekokohia wasana na mampanyi badwumedie na se na enumu ena eye asemu ebeto dwa no eni sa mampanyi eche na nanom ahemfo no na wase ono ankasa tu ni nan ekwa wanim ekwakoto no de nsa eto nsa yam na so we se de yabonra se na do dan kwa akufo adumom ena se won sori nyina ho no emechia wono mampanyi asemu we se ena mpanyimfo dodo na kasa wo ho ene ndisi amanyoko no krampo somu ya wode ye atwapia esi no besi na ya kase no womo edasoa ekroma wono mawie womo nsam a womo kanyina ne sa mamra ne amane na do dankwa kufodo ya etietia so sansem we sei na efre nreba no wode wani kyeremo waso ya wono so hwe ya hinsie ho nsam so a wono mababonte yewura aboaten ayasamo aboaten ne tia no wode nsem betu dwa kyerɛ so ono akasa na wakana do dankwa kufodo ho woda mango na sɛde nsem no esi efamfra memu se wono se yabonra nsɔre na wo mechia no se nyasa ene sitie wono ankasa kanado dankwa kufuado ho ena wonom ekochia wo hipopoi eno te so bi kasa nsem na ma ya nyi ntumi ya montongu se ya rodohura dansem na so ne nsem a yewra asabi wode betu dwai aka hu bi amadin at the University of Ghana School of Law yewra atuguba Sompa, one so about Bonte Chess and Corno, any Rasamoa Boatia, Sansam no Babonte Beca and Corano, and Kenya dia, or bedroom and Sampo Nebia, or Babonte Kahu here, a some no by Yenshe, Nayan Fape Peye, and no cre any Juma, a was some no home.
What was worse was the release from the Ministry of Chieftaincy Affairs, Chieftaincy and Traditional Affairs. They just shouldn't have made that release at all. It just made matters worse. Respect to its chieftaincy and religious affairs. Chieftaincy and religious affairs. Thanks for the correction. The first point I want to make is that respect is not demanded or commanded or commandeered. It is earned. And then we need as Ghanaians to focus on this, because many of us do things that create disrespect for us, and then we turn around to try to compel respect or to demand it or to commandeer it. Respect is not commandeered, it is earned. That's the first point I want to make, and the most important point I want to make on your question. The second point is to look at our constitution and see what it says about the scenario that was depicted in the video. There are two competing constitutional provisions in this regard, and it's unfortunate that the Ministry of Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs, you said, chose to focus on only Article 57.2 of the Constitution. Article 57.2 of the Constitution says that the president takes eminence over every other Ghanaian. So the president shall take precedence over all other persons in Ghana. Those are the exact words of Article 57.2. There is also Article 271, which says that the institution of chieftaincy, together with its traditional councils, as established by custom, so as established by customary law and usage, are guaranteed, because the usages and customs of chieftaincy include the scenario where when you come to the domain of a chief, the chief sits in state and everybody else comes to what? Greet or pay home. So the answer depends on its situation specific. During a state or formal function, Article 57.2 is operational. President takes precedence over everybody in Ghana, including the biggest chief, followed by the vice president, then the Speaker of Parliament, then the Chief Justice. If you are in a traditional setting, Article 271 takes precedence. Because
Abusiayer Raymond Atuguba wano Dean, University of Ghana School of Law mo, and I want also Edini Juma and I waka esa, and some will say a day a tray ye. Now you mo war a year chairman at the Ma NDC Amano Konya Johnson and Sedu in Ketia General Mosquito, one also na kache. Now a quaco PMO ewa Atlanta, US Abrochimemo, Wabra na one Amano Kono HD4, and ne a Kono Emma who do a fabadrim Maquay befoso. Na watimia twatwa nema amana timia yetentente na etimia dimu sebe ya abato ye da yanim no wombetimi ede akwa akogina wokwa no etimi de edi nkunim no na wo ye ho dwumedie bi e wo ho na no ene otu nanum tu ade treye ena wo kase na dodan kwa akufo do mapanyin wonya krado se sika bia wadi wa abla obetina adwai so mfinhia nwotwe ye koni no wo bomode se wo beboaboa ne ho na wafini nyina ede abafi se NDC ba wo maka plebampo Enka wonum ho.
Akufo-Addo and his government can be likened to a person who is riding a tiger. If you get down, you'll be devoured. And if you stay at the back of the tiger, you will die of hunger. And so they are not worried about leaving power. But the real problem is about what happens after they've left power. But we keep assuring them that to save Ghana, we should not allow anybody to engage in wrongdoing, in looting the country and getting away with it. Sure. And so if that is what they are scared of, they better prepare. Yes. We still have time to vomit all the loot or hold on to it and face the consequence. You know, there was a story of an old man who had so much money in his safe. And when he was sick, he kept keeping the key to the safe in his pocket and put his hand on it, that he would never release the key. When he died, we took the key and opened all his treasures. So those who can communicate to them, let them.
Ebusia National Chairman na de man this amanyokoro Yewra Johnson esiedu nketia na yekọ ekotie no na yebweramu ewo kane sofo ya no hwe ya kwane yakwantempo ho nsem so Yewra Dr. Richard Anane wono so ne diemu wopanyi ede omahene yaw adubuache yoma in the morning akasa abonkomo ede nsem dodo na atodwa twese wo hwa santemantem MPP amanyokoro ne dimu a titreni edema wonum Yewra Bernard Entwibosi akon ya dodo na pa ne se chama wuntumi no wo sai amanyoko no na wanhwe ya epanyimfo ansore na wantia no antwe no ensiti mpomu a ebeye den ede amanyoko no sa fiwesi abato no enkunimdie ebetimi aye wonom dia
not as much but maybe I mean me obi am twiniba na me bi am ni mpanyimfo trauma catch so no say party he knows that no say party
and niema oye no
yes I know my partner I think one of the last one was na me president ko phone ho but then see as a president won't be only on say party when he was there and there's nothing you could say yeah I mean come on it's not bold it's just what is
the fact
yes everything you see Ashanti Radio you're a chairman you are next to the
national chairman yeah
so and only nipa I want to me the party it's okrampo baby so other regions quite it means for say exactly but I'm not saying that.
No.
I'm not saying that. And sometimes it hurts. So, party baby, I am no junior. You say, it's not so much to be our match. It's all because
Ebusia Yewra Dr. Richard Anane kane sofo de na ohwe yakwan ne akwantempo ho nsem so na enne anope yoma in the morning omahene ya odubuache anointing man of God and na wane no bon komo ewo morning show no so awoda sansem na di na no di sem no ampem wa abra na komotwetwe ne koso no wasa ede nsem bi ede ma eye MPP amanyoko no se wede eye futuo nke be ye de ama wonom se afi wesi akwakoye abato afi no wo behwe na won kofo a wayi wo mu akwa ede afra amanyoko no se wo ye won fonso anase se ni agina sie ena wo si ya wo di free mu no wo mu hwe na wo mu nyina ensa mo mu biem emra amanyoko no na betimi aboa wonom ama won botaye no watimi aduru ho
anse bi o ha we from quietly strong in the party maybe so recently so we are that will be why look I said I was so coming baby so I'm a friend so I'm part of the party not be doing this thing
yes I'm right
even vice secretary I'm part of the party can cause anything through. Fortunately, we did it. So, what? One day, we saw a couple of times. In the same way, something doing with my friend back home. So, I dream up party in the world. We need to say something. It's me, it's she, yeah, in Kadabwa, and my we are caution.
Ebusia Yewra Richard Anane no ya sofo ya brebi atwemu ya kwan ene ya kwantempo so so ye no na otua no nsem ene yekọ ekotie ye no na ye bwaramu ewo enwomasuemu National Association of Institutional Suppliers wonom eyekọ ya woma wonom emema suapo anase sukufo enema ahodo ema aban etua wonom eka no womo ena eka sei wonom ekyeresa so ye hwe enwomasua so no wonom ede ensem bi aba betu dwa ya watche se aban ne ba behwe ama basic schools ahodo no wonom anasa aban suku ahodo no wonom esa de uniform foforo kra e de aba behwe won wey e na ekuo no ekyerese nya de a wonom bepene ne apene china wonom adinsi akantem awiabo enyina so asanum so e de aguso se emfa ho ene de bese no wodo na betintin fam ama se gyerese we se no watimi aboagu
e go sore ya e ti hu bi sa ba ne say obe house dress one color bring from one color and yes e be aye minister aye na so ngom di a odododo bo di ja aye o di yire fie sem ne nyuma ngu ne e man tie fie na ko mun de yen je no mo fa ne nsa enko yes abono wase de nkura onu enu ensuo entwensio so yes see the white pick it aye books no na for serious ni ejuma egu ye ti fie no o de ko de a eni aban de entwie kura pick it last time no de ba no e be chance e ka mu de mu ntwe ye na nyama mu di mo bi hwere wo sem se wo de yanka 2020 21 22 a mu ntwe ye and you know, the school's 10 or 5 ako. I finish with you, Janica. I went to me here. Said to Mano, Magic at the company BF or the Radis. Say, a moving idea. I want to go in the Ghana. What company? In your Murphy. Then I for some air there. There is a minister say, a year. And as a woman, dear, or go to the so what do you do? A hoye. No one is angry, Mano. On a second year. And I need now you come about me to say, so about me so be my penny the dia, or be 8 dia, or him say ye. And the minister there, and money is over breaking, and there's a room, a bed or so. That is, where are your workers? The workers 820, workers 50, 100. That I work more than 250. You're Bushafo, you're Dofo. Somebody say, now I can't break 8 dia, and the catcher.
Elsia, the Okasa, ye won no NA National Secretary at the National Association of Institutional Suppliers, and Okasa or ye Okoto did on one sudity. Why you amwa and anything about your sour moi. Timemufo ebasa na unemployment rate na no e na ama no koso ye ramu na e kasa nsem we say e de atre eye aban no na ye ramu e wo okan kwei not abato empesua so a ma mi mo nyafo ya enei wo no e na e preso obegyiremo e wo MPP amanyoko ni dimo aramu e wo mrahye bedwam na akonyo na da ho no wakwa akopre ye kasa ya wo no e na side deputy minister e de ma ye dwadie e na afidinwuma so Nana Amadokua Esiame J any ni day. One also a tresse won so many nipa. A buy a bon homo den sabeya. And it is you at the Siadiano and Womesian Betimia Koye Nuntino a church for Abbas body mediebi was set wo peja at the Siwa Nubetimia Boa Ashamokena netimia jinjama church for ya one setra dear one potemono. Now one emadema wabono watimia pim de Akowenim ama Womesiam sono and near ma asina so. Enu tie ne day na wone ensentrefo edi nhwemu a wo pa adwumedie ne ho entoma maami dokua edam sent me na di na de treye
sets the state to laud and honor the invaluable contributions and exploits of our teachers as well as non-teaching staff. We completed school years ago, but we still remember our teachers all the time, being good or stale memories. Indeed, some left indelible marks in our lives, and anytime we hear their names, we recall their significant moments. The launch of the Best Teacher Awards will serve as the platform to acknowledge and appreciate our outstanding educators. Through these awards, we aim to emphasize the significant impact that teachers have had on our communities and the immeasurable value they bring to our constituency and the nation's progress. This award system will be apolitical. Awardees will be purely on merit basis, and the entire process will be monitored and managed by the Education Directorate. We, the political actors, will not influence it in any way or form.
Ebusia nipa yɛte ne nkɛn ɛyɛ ma me doku a wamana no ampem a wɔtoa so ɛkyerɛ sɛ wɔhwɛ na afiwe sei enkwada ya basic school anase EBC yɛ nsɔhwɛ no wɔnom ɛba bɛkyerɛ bie no wɔmo ɛba bɛyɛ ɛyɛ mock exams bi hyehyɛyɛ ɛde ama wɔnom ne nyinaa kamwa ɛne hyehyɛyɛ ho sɛ bɛyɛ nkwada no wɔnom ɛbɛtimi ahyɛ ɛnneɛma nso ne du nsɔhwɛ na so a wɔnom ɛtimi atwɛ na wɔnom ɛtimi atwɛ ne yɛ wɔse ne deɛ ya wɔbɛtimi ayɛ ɛde aboa wo masua ɛwɔ mpɔtam wɔ nie.
But also crucial players whose serve cannot be relinquished to the background. I'm optimistic that this launch will be a resounding success as we embark on this incredible journey of celebrating the best teachers amongst us when the actual celebration is held. In addition, after several discussions with our venerable director, Mrs. Aboni, I find it necessary that we support the directorate to organize a mock exams for our BEC candidates.
Mami dokua ene ekotie no na yeba sante mantama se de ni akyeremu ewo atwemangwa beja South Kroponi mu na wonum eye ensano dwuma na nuada na akwaye adwumayefo nyina afo fida no wonum so edi dai bi nam so de adesrade ato abanyanim se wonhwe se beya emoa efasikasem no obetimi ede aso wasene ama won so dwumedi ahodo ya wodie no enema etimi afa ne ntampa ede efra na panyipa ya wono ena wonum ekuo ni nyina wo man mu no woriye edom eboaboafo brekrona wode wani kyeremu wo atwema wa beja South Kroponi mu a wono ena ye kyerema edema small scale industry no yera Ishmael Raf odinsam dodo na ena eto empanyifo anim
de mo kanu ye nyina anim se ena ye mede ye hye Ghana man ha ensa no dwuma ye friend small scale industry no they command almost 70% of the workforce I work on my na ene ye da sonko a oman no ayesi o se dru ha de kai adwumayefo ntimefa kwanya we so na yabo maba so na yada o masi se obia eye na adwuma se de esitie ene mede de ntia atwemangwa biaja ya fa so se ye de be sports no na ye de ache odo no ye nyina enim se sports de e de nkabo mu sonko eba the more especially afiwe nso ye election year and we want to create the awareness na ye mfasa akwanya we so ema obia hu se edru se obia koto na ba obefa abotre na discipline ne se de mra na hyehyɛ ni sitie na otimi akoye na se wo ba se de o kan ye challenger e very numerous ye bebre na esonso kakra ba bia your attention no ewo sisia pai apprenticeship department esan say we mastercraft persons no say you training kra no wi a ekwan a omobefa so a omobe establish to be able to establish where no I know ye one of the priority I go so I hear say abai no ebeboa do abai no wa so ya ye friend no Ghana Enterprise Agency a wo hwe insanu dwuma so regulators are no mani nyina
National organizer Edema Artisans ya wonum so ewo meyimu panyino Ishmael Rauf yisi fani ni din na wadansem we say ye di edetwe na no achi no panyipa ya wono so ejiremo ewo atwemanwa beja South abato mpesue so ewo NPP amanyoko ni din mo awramo ewo mrahebedwam no ma me sherry ma mitiwa wono so ededodo na na tudwa ekyerese na afabu de bia obeye aboa se beya ne titru ensane dwumasua ne betimi akoso no obehwe ayebi ede aboa
nyina ene o my Ghana adwumayefo nyina said o kan no ene made adwumayefo da enim say o man betumpon a efa adwumayefo because omo no mo contribute to the economy ema yetimi enye skabu o man hu bra enti the asema meka che adwumayefo ne say be bibiara wo bia ne adwuma bia wo ye bia no he say adwuma edimu ade a ebeboa o my Ghana ama ompumtu aba na say once muye na wanye ni ya yeso so yentimi enya the needed economic benefits our mining ya enti yesrema adwumayefo yada ma say edikan ewo contributions amoye ne adwumaden amoye ye mama yiko na yenso ye adwuma muye na yenkoso a ne enya adwumaden na o my Ghana entumpu
Ebusia ye kan for me so free drink no ede ama wo se dwabodwu medie bia se ya wo so wo hihye bie no eya no anya bi dia serve wo na enema nyina so etimi akoye ede ama wo yankase edua ba mu nsuo ene ya twetwe yemfa so mu bia preservative bia enim ena yede ebre wo ye wo mango flavor nko wo ene ye wo mix flavor no so mix fruit no eno so nko e wo wonya bia ebetimi aboa apomode chapo ahoden ma ena yede egumnte no ayefra se abadinto ase ayiyo ase anase nsafo mukura no dako bi wo ho anama chensafo mane bi na ma ni genso abakakra yenya bi enfenwu ye stores ahodo no ya ye tonso ene drinks ho no na yentimi enya emfaso nya sika enwu ye botom eya no anya bi nso de agu fridge mu ofie kwada ne pepa ne titru ene mango de no muno mu a ema wonum ehhehye kama abusia bomodia Dr. Silas wone ne mrantia ne mabawa no edeva ne namdwomba bia ya wo bia no wo de abaya me de beto dwebom na wonum entimi enje wo so 0246 270221 0246 270221 mizo free drink and 5G miza and a year can for the ama wo fra beya Dr. Silas obehwe abreobi energy drink papa no and no any 5G no wanya bia nom na wo so atime e de ate wo breso na 21st clinic omu ya sciatica expert ebusia wo sisi achi entri yes aho e fa wo sto ase na fa wo se mu abesi wonantu na atiesi wonanti ni ho no eto da bia ebusia ya na emu ensem no akwakoye bebre Mr. Obomodia na siatica yade no for ni kire mo e wo 15 branches ya ayasabie wonum ebiebie e wo mema fa na nyina na kwaji wa yaresa efefiri ho wo se ehwe overseas safa radio nche wo wonsa ebeka no sanso e no oboase council quarters call junction omuso e wo ho sunyane regional hospital first gate no ehwenim ho pe e na wo be hu no wo de ni kire mo e wo eye tachiman so a GN bank dada ni mu e wo sunyane kwan no so no wo ba Kwa FM enkranza wo owo kasua domidwom ena afe ebiamia hodo takwane takra de nyina no dwaboso nyina no wakira kwan ne bi wo na wo se efidie kukudam ena wo no te no wo ba laboratory test ahodo nyina no wo ye bi scan service nyina so ebi e wo massage papa bi enso eyade ekoso e wo no se wo sciatica ne free wa se wo se mo how ena aba ho ana se esichire yade bi ena aba beso e wo so bi krapa wo brebo no ayekese awonhunu bi aba ho ekro bi aba ho anase nso krapa agyegremu wo se fabra yade bi ase ye ulcer anase typhoid ede ben wo pa wo krapa no krapa de wo tenete fo ni kire wo na kwaje wa yaresa 0249311311 and 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 eba center wonum se abusia wo sisi yade no eni koko yi a eha wonu tinam so wontimi ehuna de woni so nyina yokusukuku ade ben wa wo hu ewa kire so krampo de na ebobo ayem timbrefo aba besua wo so enu nti no ama ede eyetibiade ena aba besua wo so honam nyina yo basabasa wose 3 eba center wonu wo so 3 ko capsules no koko master eyekufa show wonu ma ne sisi yade ena afa koko ne ayem tim no pamono fo ni chiremu wo Kolinak heba Dani heba Misty heba ene apidank baby wo ton no to no bia so no won sabeka bi ato 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 na wo pe baby akọ na wakwantu won se wo de akọ wonsa e wa abra won mu eni usika ema ne ma nyina nya si one time there na ye kan for express group 4 e dia mam wo se akwantu won nsem nyina da wo se fa beda wonom e bia pese okosua de wa abrochire wo pese wo kọ ekodidwa esa ba wo pese wo kọ na bia akoye adwuma wo ho anase okosuku bibia no say Canada, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and I say Germany, Crobay, and I pesa wuchemu ewo amana no bomodi ane fo wani echemu ewo Kumasi ase no masafo labor runabout enkan wo ho sanso na tema East Legon takra de sunyane tamale ene bibie ne fa beya me de etudwei na de ene wonum eni nkomo na chechemu bia wo pe no wontime efama 0555 550 067 0555 550 067 and 0508 111-343 0508 111-343 abusia yenyina we se so na yento enkramra tew ye bansam no dodo na na akechra ye de bepiem so
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siemu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siemu kuje ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abasobo o magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebini baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa. Wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade. Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho. 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic. Wo mu ye sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Prakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hiye pa enye prakasa nko nuaban ne haban bi tise ko unsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwenunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa prakasa ne sa nuaban bi nom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de ye prakasa powder siesi nipadua na abo akwa ahodo no ho ban afrimpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne enwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni sushie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prakasa powder to King's Walk Heba ni Heroes Heba Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Heba Umase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ni Green Light Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantwa Heba ni Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Heba Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 prakasa powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu emu agiatum
Sompa TV Emma Aketiapa.
Ebusia yadamu wase amamu akwaba na yetua ensem no so asenum Sompa television so Sompa 93.1 FM Sompa 98.9 and Sompa 90.7 ensem ya yede esom se kase no nsia bremu de no na yeguso yede mamu no yetua so no na ye boawramu ene enu achi ya na ejoso by election edru so ema wonum so etimi to aba won pesua no so nyina no wokọ ekọkire wonu power ewo ho na ho ene betu odwa se kwada somra hyebedwane won monyafo Kingsley Nyako wokoyi envelope bi edeto wode ma abato bedwa no wonum krofo a na wonum etepono ehwe se ne nyina betoto ye ede ama abato no na no ene nipa dodo na akasa ede etia ebi ehwe se nye nokra bi ti se wede ani nyina no ye ne ehu bi nti no wodina ya na so akasa nye nokra nya ade ye ene ye kasa ya no NDC wonom so ekoye no ewo eye empesua no so wonom afran central phone share mu nanam so nte no panyi pa ya wono kitawode bofotene wono na etua no wo hoye Sylvester wode atudwa se ye Kingsley Nyako de beboa na ne se wode na adwa ebeto wo se mrahye
nyina ne se eno ye nyina ye hu eni ya monsem a eye kwada so MP eye honorable Kingsley Nyako ekoye ewo ejiso by elections. In fact, on the Nimbuasie Abre Kwada so constituency. Na the year came in say, yes, Ghana Police, OSP, Office of the Special Prosecutor, say assemble Munso. Na enya the other society we so constituency. 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 Na enya the ot Yes, and maybe a German Ukraine is the position was in Siana. Yes, a Subrana, or the dance, or damn it. I don't depend on the position now. Lemon, the year catching in United States 2024 elections. Money young argument said, or by yes, sir, to make any be, and over this, to make any be, our constituency. Executive Sawaha, and here peace, Obian Robert Chairman. It's as your Muslim Subano. It's as Okogana memoir, a criminal offense. Yes, a criminal offense. I was a buy any OSP, a share, a Cassassin way, and when we are not a quiet and Mapa was identified to Yao. And Pino, a young honorable Pisinapo. OSP, a share not in the first. So what's all the 2 months for them too? Now, and you many more idea, yes, she said, we sit in what is on, I'll resign on my see what.
I was saying Sylvester when town dear for Tnadema NDC, Amanyoko, a war quadra so abato empesia so. Yeah, boy, running monona, ye ramo, I want 15 months, Aguna West, Croponimo, and a Yakwa copy. Nya Cromuna, non more time when your bedja ya one ever one so amo, women so ekasa, etras and near be and shada and quay. Nana Okofok at a chain ya ko akuya what to do. One in a hip poya what here just so edema this year, ya one and one yakro. What just said Bridges Ham Swobi, ya and no, if I want Cromowa, Quasi Mesa Cromono, I buy them a contract, Bessin lay, contract no every quino so, yes, Samson, Aquaquaya, war, Amina, Ediama Wonum Tinisa, buy no share, I may yet dear fear batono, won't forget to say, Obey Remo, and when ya Cromo.
I say, Obaya Mayano, Imbre Gumpa Papa, ma say, Yesha, Idiana, 1 year into Idiana. Akwana wosu bridge no kwano wo bu ma ye no e ho baby it say SS wo twa S na car say akase bin say e dimpa ho wo ha e yehu papa e mama accident taisi si wo ho a wan hwe adaache ye nti asam papa e dan no kwano ahoho bi a won wo ba wo mu ho wo nim say bridge no wetu amuna bi wo ho nti wo betom me ye enyansem ni nyamencha de a ye danyame asese obiara mbom anhwere ne nkwa e wo ho nti yesra ban se okay so be ya mayan na ache nti yehu senti a wabe tutu amuna wo ho na efe woja amuna no ma edi yenya na contract biara so oni ni jinu ho a oye nti yesra ban so under nani enhweye no mba ye bridge mayan if say me no fi yankrum akwan no so nyakrum wo nankasa na kwan no so enso e wo metin hwe if me say krum e banyakrum na contractor wo so enso biate answer we jai na aban no se ohwehwe won inkrata asem no na won ebu a wode genum na ade eno ye na ayete enso ebesinde contractor no san ba so bio nti kwan no wonwie nti so aban onhye ne so efe me ye ko ye be na da man pese me ka cha ba no se enya akroman na akroman ya abua Ghana ne kanko ne mpuntu papa efe se koko ba first no yen ebepo yen ha nti ye dua koko papa nti ebo man no na sa abo man no ma man na enya ataban efu ataban utua eyeye ya na ya de se woja nya akroman ana akroman woja yewom kra timisraban se abani sei me ye ko ne ye bede on tweneni hwa nya akroman enimini yara ye bridge no on mama enfuye enfama ye nkanka akwambo ya ebe se
Awusia nya krom hine nana okofo ene ekokotie nanu si yape dwemtireni ede manya krom empuntu oko no nana John Boadu wono so ekasa kakra ede tramansa wono mo a wonom etimi ayo ede abo man no empuntu nkoso
to help develop that is the bottom line. Social, economic, education, health, sanitation, and everything. We've been operating we came into being actually when the COVID came. And a lot of our people, both here and diaspora, decided that we should form a management team to see to the provision of PPEs and other facilities, to support the health center and to deal with the population. Because I'm a Melissa, I'm going to be 100.
Nya kromo mpuntu ko penyipa ya wono etuano na John Boedu ene yekọ ekotie no ewusie yeremu ewon fifi mantemu a dumja adwumeko no wonom ayen kasa ho ne nchechwe dwumedie bi dia ma de hye ya wo mo Cape Coast ni nyina ne se kwan obefa so na watimi abo won ho ban ede afri eja ho ne mpo no eja to ba bi akwan obetimi afa so na watimi edum no na nkofo ye ne bi entimi ama assistant chief officer John amate wono na efifi mantem woye regional commander edema dumja adwumeko no woni Sompa TV yankase enua bema Erica na etwenkomo efasa ne nsemu a na wode ye nkyerɛkyerɛ ede ama adehye ne ho ema wotubi edema na yen
so when you kaka ewo afi no ashase reports are ewo showing say we have been able to reduce fire outbreaks by 2% on the first quarter this year. And no saying say at least there were our communities, our lorry parks, our markets, our TV, radio, so amount for every year. And they say amount for the asset fires will still come down. We will all enjoy safer community, safer region, so that peace, prosperity can thrive. People will have peace. People can have confidence in the system, both local, international, and
Efifi mantem komanda ya dumja adwumeko no wotua ano ACFO1 John Amate ena yetie no ebusia yade aseda ema eye express group for wakwanto ho nsem nyina fa bedan wonom 0508 111343 21st clinic the sciatica expert aya sabia ye nei wode wani chemu wo ho ade ha wo firi wotiri so ekopem nas ni titru ene sciatica yade usisi chintini efa usem kosi wanento wo to ase ama waje so abasobode ne ho ene wasa wode wani kye kwaje wa yasa na akwa ho sane fa ho de yawdia efa yade ho 0540311311 ebusia ye kamfo 3 eba center wonupa ya wode abadwa so 3 co capsules ne de ama koko master sisi yade koko ene ayamtim ena etu ase kolona ke badani heba ne misi heba pidank won sabeka bi wo ho ato ba bi etu no bia no ehon so won sabeka bi bomode fra bay e bia pentremu bia na so peso to bi ekoton 10546107107 na mizo free drink and 5 James anonso no ye kanfo e de ama o se dwabodwumade bia ase nya bi na etimi fa serve ho na animonyam no enye ebruso emfa emma Dr. Silas ene ne dom no mu de van no ene nanenam te ba bia wo bia no de o wa ma no ne krampo na wo frɛ wo no ma wo no behwe no de bia for play at the abro 0246 270221 0246270221 Elsia fa asidake siama ye Rasante ye boa Benedict waye samu for penyi kuko Veronica Jando waka ho ena ensemi eba ye sanso ena nana yire mesese Japan akosia so mo asodela ho fefo wono so ekruche ensemi bi edigu krata so ese chinchin fidie ne fruma edemame mami ya Grace adepa eboa yen ema social media handles no so ye life ewo ho eba videos no so dia wona buzi the caption mine ene boa ye twitwa ede ema yen ye fast dama Kelvin ene wono mo MC a wo nyina no Mr Dave ene ekobeja sesempre so Sompa TV ne so wo mo ena eboa yen de ekoye owo ina chapo owo nkranza Sompa 90.7 na ye wa woda panyipa nyakopon koso ensure wonye wa domro so mankwatenti ahode ne apomden ewo midi do